Hi, in this lecture we will understand the basics of Unity editor panels and what are the main purpose of these panels. And this is the default Unity view, and on the left side we have a hierarchy panel. When we add anything, all comes in this panel. Like in this example I have added a Unity cube. Everything is here is a game object, and game object is made up of components. We can click on the game object to see their properties in the inspector panel. Scene windows allows you to move around your game objects in a 3D space. In scene window, you can rotate, reposition, or rescale your object. In a scene view, you work like a director of your game. Game panel is sort of show you the final output of your game. Everything that is looked by your default camera is the final output of your game. So game window is your final output of your game. It's like you have directed your movie in a scene view, and game window is like people are watching your movie in a theater. In the inspector panel, you can see all the components are attached to the game object. From here, you can modify your game object's components, and you can also add more components on the game object. Like here, I'm changing the scale of this game object. From the inspector panel, you can add the scripts to this game object. And now let's take a look at project panel. In project panel, we have asset and packages folder. In scene folder, we have a sample scene. In Unity, we can have a multiple scenes. The console window shows errors, warnings, and other messages generated by Unity. And you can also show your own messages in console using the debug class. From this option, we can change the Unity default layout. This is a 2x3 view, and this is a 4 split view. We can change it to default. And this is the tall view. And it's a wide view. And even you can customize your own view. And after finalizing the layout, we can save this layout. Like here, I am saving a new layout, the new customized layout according to my need. And from here, I can select the Unity default layouts and also my own custom made view. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next lecture.